everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is Nidhi here, and for today's video there is something new for all of y'all. So it's not my beauty favorites or my makeup haul, it's something very different like till now. So today I'm going to show you all how to make your very own lip balm at home. So yeah, it's gonna be a DIY video and I'll show you how to make peppermint tinted lip balm. So a very unique concept, and that's the best thing. Like, why to buy costly lip balms like from outside? Why not make one at your own home? So let's get started. So the things what you will need to prepare your own very lip balm at home are 1 tub of Vaseline. Like you can have whatever Vaseline which you have at your home, like anywhere around in that. Then any one old lipstick, like whichever you have at your home. I have this red lipstick, so this is what I'm going to use. Then peppermint oil. Now this will give that very peppermint kind of flavor on your lips. Like it will give you a very cooling effect. So that's something unique in my recipe. So this thing. Then one small container like this, and 1 spoon, and a plastic container in which you want to fill your lip balm. So that's it. Like those are all the ingredients what we will require to make our peppermint tinted lip balm. So let's get into the procedure. So let us begin how to prepare this peppermint flavored tinted lip balm. So let's get started. The first thing what we will do is we will scoop out this Vaseline, and I will take like about 1 whole scoop of it, like around this much, and then I'll put that in this small bowl. Yeah, so I've taken like 1 scoop of Vaseline. Then I will take I'll just scrap off this lipstick, like I think yeah, that's more than sufficient, I feel. So I'll scrap off that. Yeah, it's right there. Then I'll add few drops of this peppermint oil, so that will give a very nice cooling effect on our lips. Like I'll put 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I guess that's enough. So our peppermint lip balm mixture is all ready. Now I will take this mixture for double boiling. So let's get into the kitchen. Hello everyone, so as you can see right now I'm at the kitchen, and I have put this big bowl like over the flame, and I've put some amount of water, so it's already heating, like the flame is already on. And now I will put that small bowl like inside this, so that our lip balm starts melting. Oops, it's getting melted quite fast. Yeah, it's getting. As you can see, that red color, yeah, it's getting spreaded throughout. So yeah. I'll take a spoon and try stirring it. Oh, just look at the beautiful red color. It's looking so good. It has all the goodness of peppermint oil and Vaseline. So what else do we need here for a tinted lip balm? So yeah, I guess it's all done. Now we shall shift this mixture into the plastic container. So let's begin with that. So as you guys can see, it's all ready, and now it's time to transfer it into a plastic container. So over here, what I do is I take a spoon. Once again, I just give it a stir, like a good stir like this. And then what I do is I take this thing to hold this mixture, and there is this plastic container which is ready, and then yes, that's it, you guys, that's it. Can you see? It looks so beautiful, so beautiful. So yeah, now we will put this into the freezer for some time. You can put either in the chiller tray or freezer, like whatsoever, but I would rather suggest put it in the chiller tray, like in your refrigerator, and not in your freezer. So there it goes, right into my refrigerator. Hello everybody, welcome back. So my lip balm is all ready. I actually had like around 20 minutes in my refrigerator, and I guess that's it. And the lip balm is ready, you guys. Yeah, just look at it. It looks so beautiful. So I'll just open it and I'll show you. My god, it looks so gorgeous. I'll just like take, my god, it's like so super pigmented, you guys. Like, yeah, I'll just swirl it like on my hand and show you how it looks. So yeah, it's right here. It has like a very light tint of red color. It has a beautiful peppermint smell. Like, that is the game changer. It's unlike the normal tinted lip balm. It's a peppermint tinted lip balm. Trust me, you guys should actually give this thing a try. It's amazing. Trust me on that. So yeah, successful. I hope all of y'all love this video. Do try how to make this lip balm at your own home, and do write in the comment section if you like this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and do hit the bell icon if you have not till yet. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Keep watching. Goodbye.